As viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and also share my channel. Do not forget to like and comment. So let's start the video. Today our lecture is on computer subject. I am starting it from first chapter as basics of information technology. Today's our topic is what is keyboard. What is keyboard and describe enhanced keyboard and its segments. So let's start. Keyboards is the most commonly used input device. Data is mostly entered using a keyboard. The button on the keyboard are called keys. A standard keyboard contains over 100 keys. A keyboard contains numeric keys, alphabetic keys, function keys, and special keys, suppose suppose keys. A standard keyboard is normally called QWERTY. QWERTY keyboard. That this is because the first six keys on the top row of letters on these keyboards are QWERTY. QWERTY. Main parts of keyboard. The main parts of keyboard. The keyboards is most personal computers. The most personal computers have the following main parts: function keys, main keys in the center, numeric keys into the right, and additional keys. Main key, main key, main key. Function keys from F1 to F2 are used to perform special functions. Their functions depend on the software being using in a computer. Main keyboard, main keyboard, main the main keyboard includes the keys found on a typewriter keypad. It also contains some special keys. The special keys have different uses and effects that depend on the software being used. 101 keys enhanced keyboard. 101 key enhanced keyboard, that is the name of key. A keyboard has some additional keys between the main keypad and the numeric keys. It also contains status lights is upper right corner. ASIC key, ESC ESC keys. ESC keys is used to terminate a command or current task. Caps lock is a toggle key. The characters appear is uppercase if it is pressed. The characters appear in the lower case if it is not pressed. Numbers and symbols are not affected. The status light under caps lock turns on when it's pressed. Tab keys. Tab keys is used to move the courier to next tab show. Shift keys. Shift key is pressed in combination with other keys to produce uppercase letters and the upper symbolic shown on certain keys. On certain keys, control keys. Control keys is pressed in combination with other keys to execute commands. For example, CTRL plus O is used to open a new file. ALT keys. ALT key is also used in combination with other keys to execute commands. Backspace key is used to delete single character on the left of the corner. Enter key is used to move the courier to the beginning of the next line. It is normally used at the end of paragraph. Numeric keys are located on the right side of most keyboards. The numeric keys are used, that is the last key of keyboard keys and used for two purposes depending on the status of numeric lock key. If num lock is on, the key are used to enter numeric data and mathematical symbols like plus minus zerb, multiply, divide. If numeric lock key is off, the numeric keys are used to move the courier and perform other functions as follows. Different keys.